Hey, it's your girl. You know, Wellness K in the morning picking elderberries. So, this is what elderberries look like. And it came from the farmer's market, my favorite place. And what I'm going to do is you can't eat them like this because they have some type of chemical compound. I think it's like something like cyanide. But what you can do, you can freeze it. So that's what I'm doing. And I wrote it down, elderberries and the date, so that I'm preparing myself for the fall and for the winter, my immune system. So this is a good tip, family. Get your immune system prepared for this fall and winter. Because the way they're talking, like, not good. So, get your elderberries, freeze them, and then you can do smoothies. You can cook with it. You can do a lot of things. But you cannot have it like this straight. So you have to freeze them, okay? And also you can cook with it. And I have a recipe for making syrup, homemade syrup. And that is excellent for colds, flus, things like that, viruses. All right, look it up, family. You know me. I tell you, look it up so you can get the benefit. This is what I'm doing to build up my immune system. I'm not a doctor, and this is my disclaimer. But this is what I'm doing to document my journey back to wellness. Have a great morning. Adios.